Hi, and welcome to Purple Griffon. In a world where IT is the backbone of business, Purple Griffon stands out not just as a consultancy partner, but as a catalyst for change in your organisation. At Purple Griffon, we go beyond the basics. Our mission, to drive your organisation forward, transforming challenges into triumphs, leveraging the extensive hands-on experience of our consultants. With a history of successful collaborations, we bring a wealth of knowledge and an unwavering commitment to every project. You might be thinking, why do I need a consultancy? I can do this myself. Whilst that might be true, we can offer expert consultants with a wealth of experience to work alongside you, freeing up your valuable time and resources. Our consultants are well versed in industry best practice, and throughout the consultancy period, we'll be able to bring and impart their knowledge and processes that are not just tailored to your specific needs, but that can also be adapted elsewhere across your organisation for even better value. Our expertise spans across areas essential for today's IT-driven organisation. Our consultancy offerings can help establish where you currently are, where you can get to, and how you span that gap. And as you can see from the range of offerings we have, we could help you establish continual improvement programs or implement experience level agreements and lots more. So why not take a look at some of our offerings? I can hear you asking yourself, why choose Purple Griffon? Basically because your success is our success. Our consultancy services are tailored to meet your exact needs, propelling your organisation towards its objectives and strategic insights with actionable solutions. So if you're ready to transform your IT services, contact Purple Griffon today at consultingservices@purplegriffon.com. Together, let's unlock your organisation's full potential.